Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are learning English, but still feel nervous when you speak, this video is for you. Today I will show you one simple mistake that keeps millions of people studying English for years, with no real results. So make sure you watch until the end. Let me ask you a simple question, but answer it honestly. How many years have you studied English? 1 year? 5 years? 10 years? Now here is the most important question. Can you speak English with confidence? If your answer is no, you are not alone. Millions of people around the world study English for years. But when they face a real conversation, they freeze, they panic, and no words come out. Today, I will show you the real mistake. The mistake that keeps people stuck, without progress. And by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to fix it. Let me tell you a short story. This is Maria. Maria is from Spain. She studied English for 8 years. She knows thousands of words. She can read English books. She can write perfect emails. But when she meets an English speaker, her mind stops. She feels nervous, and she forgets everything. She cannot say even one simple sentence. Does this sound familiar? Maria is not special. Maria represents millions of learners around the world. So, what is the mistake? The mistake is simple, but very dangerous. You are learning English with your brain, not with your mouth. You study, you memorize, you understand. But you don't use the language. You collect words, but you don't speak them. You treat English like a school subject. But language is not a subject. Language is a skill. Let me explain this clearly. Can you learn how to swim by reading a book? No. Can you learn how to drive by watching videos only? No. So why do you expect to speak English without speaking it? The problem is not how many words you know. You may know 10,000 words, but your brain is not trained to use them fast. And when it is time to speak, there is no time to think. So, you stay silent. Now look at children. A child does not study grammar. A child does not learn tenses. A child is not afraid of mistakes. A child repeats the same words hundreds of times. Mama, dada, more. No. Simple words, but automatic. And here is the secret. Fluency does not come from many words. Fluency comes from automatic words. And automatic words come from repetition. Let me give you a clear example. Instead of saying, I would like to express my opinion, just say, I think. Instead of saying, I am experiencing tremendous difficulty understanding this, say, I don't understand. Which one is better? The simple one. It is faster, clearer, more natural. And this is exactly what native speakers do. Now let's talk about the solution. The solution is not learning more. The solution is using what you already know. Take simple words. Words you know 100%. And use them every day. Here is a powerful exercise. Every morning, Choose only 5 words. Make 10 simple sentences with each word. Say the sentences out loud, not in your head, with your voice. Do not correct yourself. Do not stop in the middle. Just 15 minutes a day. After 1 month, something amazing happens. You start speaking without thinking, without fear, without stress. Why do most people fail? Because they want to sound smart. They want big words. They want complex sentences. But communication is not about impressing. Communication is about clarity. And clarity comes from simplicity. Now your plan starts today. Stop memorizing word lists. Stop buying vocabulary books. Choose basic words. Practice them every day. Speak with them. And now I have a question for you. Will you continue collecting words? Or will you start using them? Language does not need perfection. It needs courage. If this video helped you, please like it. And if you want to improve your English step by step, subscribe to the channel. New videos are coming every week. Thank you so much for watching.